June 14, 2025, morning of Melissa and Mark Hortman's assassination. Minnesotans show up for nonviolent action. Unfortunately, so do content creators doing what they can to sow a picture of violence and conflict. A team of 4 here acts interested in howling for healing, and then go for a reaction. And when I don't react, the main character tries to light the fuse on another protester. Later that morning, these 4 all had Trump sweatshirts on, trying to get people to engage in a fight. There were no fights, and I suspect they had to do some major editing to give a non-Minnesotan impression for whoever was paying them.
Your dog sings? He does? When does he start singing?
When he was 10 months, he was 5 now. Every day
Like how can
for
you
the
make
past 4.5 years, he's been a part of all this show.
Really? How do you make him start singing?
He knows that it's time to tone.
Oh really? So when you play that he starts singing?
Yeah.
Can you play song?
What?
Can you play song?
Well,
I'm trying to hear a dog sing. I never heard a dog sing before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mojo.
Come on, Mojo.
No, it's okay.
That's funny. Hey, that was good, Mojo.
Yeah, Mojo. Just getting in alignment.
Don't be scared of Asian people. I'm not gonna eat you.
Oh,
Right?
right.
The stereotype's not true.
Don't worry. It's all right.
You love.
Yeah.
You ever have sex with it?
Oh,
What?
intimacy, yeah.
I'm just curious. Like, some people do.
Kind of good.
I mean, you got a little defensive. I don't know. Maybe you do. You got way too defensive about that. Have a good day, Mojo. Keep up the singing. Alright, sir. Have a good one.
Hi, everybody. My name is Lisa. I'm with Indivisible Twin Cities, and I'm one of the organizers of this event. I just wanted to check in real quick and let you know that we are still holding this rally today. The marchers are going to start in just a minute. They'll start coming down on John Ireland to join us here. We're still planning to have a program. It is going to be shorter. And just want to let you know, so I want everybody to stay safe. This is a non-violent event. And we're going to show people how to do that, okay? So everybody just chill out and wait here for a little bit, and when the marchers join us, we'll get started, okay? Thanks for coming.